Well, the Marriage Week is now taking place in 26 countries around the world, and in most of those countries it's beginning to have a profound effect on divorce statistics and on the levels of happiness in marriage that people are reporting. And so we're really pleased to see that Marriage Week in Croatia is now being launched, and I expect to see the same kind of local activity here that happens elsewhere. And what that means is in villages and towns and cities on every part of the country, people will do things in their streets, in their communities, to support and to encourage the married couples where they live. So this is not trying to persuade anybody to do something they don't want to do. It's not against anybody. It's just a celebration of marriage to say, if you've made this as a life choice, get involved in National Marriage Week, either as a participant or as a leader, and do something that will encourage the couples in your area. That's what it's all about, and that's why it makes a difference.